I just went live for the very first time. I've never done it before. I've seen it on there, go live, and I thought, what would happen if I did go live? So I've just done it for about 15 minutes there. So yeah, it was all right. I didn't know what I was doing, but so if you watched, there were about 25 people watching along at one point, but I think it were about 4 people that were watching. So if it's something you want me to do again, I will do, and but I'll have something planned next time. Like I say, I might build a planter or have a little build along. I'll have something to show you. I'll have something planned. If you want me to do it again, I will do. Just let me know in comments. So I thought, I've got home from work. Do you know what I always find? When you don't know what to do something. Now, it's obvious, this needs tidying up. So I'm gonna just tidy this and I'll see where it leads me. I'm just sorting this out into different types of wood. This is really rubbish pallet wood, this, but this stuff here, it's quite good. It's hardwood. So I tend to save them hardwood pallets. But this all came out of a friend of mine's garage. He's just bought a house, so this was, he cleared it out because he couldn't take it with him. So he said, do you want it? I've already pulled it apart, so it just needs chopping for my wood burner. So this is for my wood burner, and that I'm going to save. I'm going to put that in my wood store. And there's a bit of oak there, but looks of it. So I'm going to chop this up and process it as I go. So I usually cut this stuff in about three boards at a time. But this sawdust ain't good for you. So get my mask on. And this stuff goes straight in my wood store for burning. So here we go then, a simple task for tonight. If I can get this wood store filled up with wood, with pallet wood for burning, I've achieved something tonight after work. And I've not only filled my wood store up, I've cleared a bit of rubbish out in the garden as well. So as far as I can make out, there's 3 types of wood in here. There's the good hardwood off the nice pallets. There's some 4x4 posts, but they're all bent and twisted, so I might think of something to do with them. There's the cheap pallet wood that I'm going to chop up into firewood. And there's some of these runners. These are off the skid base runners, that's what I call them pallets. And I'm definitely going to make a planter or even 2 planters out of these next week. Right, that's what I like to call a bit of after work pottering. So I've achieved anything tonight? Well, yeah, I've filled my log store like I wanted. I've emptied that big bucket outside so that can go back to work because that's where it came from. And I've sorted out a bit more wood. So I think I was going to pack in, but I think I'm just going to do one more thing. I'm going to pull all the nails out of these runners. Easy. And then they're ready for the planters that I'm going to make next week. Right, an hour and a half that took me, so I'm pretty chuffed with that. If you do an hour and a half every night, and I know I don't do an hour and a half every night, but I tell myself I will do, while I'm at work all day, I think, I'll do a couple of hours in garage tonight. And I hardly ever do, but now the weather's getting better, there's no reason for us not to get out and do stuff in the sheds. And I've said before, if there's nothing to do, just go out and tidy up, and something will come of it. See what comes along. I'm taking my camera to work with me tomorrow, so I hope you're not bored with that, because I did one last week. So I've run into another problem today that needs a solution. So I'm going to take my camera to work, and if it's half interesting, I'll make a video out of it and I'll post that probably tomorrow night. Right, see you later, bye.